Bye bye. See you in the next videos.